before. When you went to Omuma and interviewed people, did they tell you that those that came to attack in that very place mentioned ESN, and we are ESN, we are IPOB? You yes. Answer me up till now. They said so, yes. People said they are ESN. Members of the communities. Yes, they said. Members of the community say, yes. ESN. Yes, that's what they told us. IPOB. Yes, that's what they told us. Yes. They lied to you. They lied to you. They told us that's what they confided in us, that they are members of ESN. They are lying. So, when you went to Omuma and interviewed people, did they tell you? Lasso on fire.
Good morning. Good day, my people. Good day. Please help me to share. Please. 1 minute silent for our great hero. Isoko is Ikoso. Yeah, Ikoso. Our comrade is a great hero. You know, Nigeria government, Yoruba media, let us give him 1 minute silent, okay? Yeah, give him 1 minute silent first. So, yes, 1 minute starts now. Good day, everybody. When we meet Yoruba, we people say we are tribalist. No, we know what we are saying. I know what I'm saying. I know. When I meet Yoruba media, Yoruba Ile-Ife, Yoruba everything, we mean what we are saying. People will be fighting us. Hey, leave Europe. They will never change. They are not fighting for your freedom. They are not fighting for Duduwa. It's only Koiki that is fighting for Duduwa. Forget it. Forget it. We will not be one. We are not one. Okay? We are not. We will prove it that we are not one. Mona leave those people where they Benin City. We know how to treat our own fuck up. We know. We know whether we die or we die alive. We know how to treat the fuck up. They cannot put us, all of us, for mess. No. We don't already tell the next generation. See what you will do to these people. Forget it. Anybody wey no wan call there, will put them for where it belong.
So you are saying that?
Wait. Hello? Hello? Good morning, Baba. God bless you, sir. Yeah. Yeah, I just sent her. Yes, I just sent her. Yeah. Fan Uwa Sophia. Fan Uwa Sophia CNC. You know, say Facebook block the other one. And many people wey dey the other one, they know they see me for life. They give me 30 days. I mean now one, yes. Yeah. From Edo State, abi? Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Facebook blocked my both accounts.
Na so that they block
So
us.
for that reason, for that reason, I know if you come out, I know if you like post, like comment.
You open another one. Open another one. Will they publish am? Open another one. Just give me the account.
Now waiting, I want to do today now. So the innocent, brother innocent, now give me your number.
Okay.
Last night, so I can't still make I call you.
Okay, Baba. Thank you.
I need to still talk to you. I'll call you maybe if you don't finish online later.
I beg. More we pack ourselves enter IPOB is very necessary.
Yes,
the world don start to more na not relent. I beg. I dey beg una.
I know.
More na do na job. More pack all ourselves for IPOB. I dey there na good thing. We want good thing for all of una. More pack everybody enter.
Sure.
See and you see say they kill Anini. They kill Fela.
Yeah.
They kill. You see our guy with the kill so. Now so the Yoruba media can rebel us terrorists. Anini notorious criminal. You understand? More pack ourselves at IPOB. Now that one go save us.
My greatest joy now. People now don't they are aware of what really they happen.
Thank you. Yeah.
So many people around me, like Ghanaians, other people from Africa, when they say they travel go Ghana recently, they come back, all of them they ask me, what did they happen for Nigeria? What did they happen for Nigeria?
Now only IPOB go save us.
They say for Ghana there. They say for Ghana there, like they say amount of Nigerians when migrate, when rock more for Nigeria, go Ghana now, especially those middle Belton people, those Hausa people. They say the full Ghana they beg.
Okay. My brother, you know what you do since they block you for your Facebook. No worry, we'll public come. I won't give your number. I won't send your number to Innocent. So, just spell your name for me, man. No, not be that Innocent. The other Innocent, Anambra Innocent. I want give your name. Okay. Spell your name. May I save your number? I want forward down. So, yeah.
Okay. Amena.
Emu.
A-M.
Okay. A-M.
E-N.
E-N. A again. W. O-N. Thank you. I want to say your name to the other one. Okay, spell the other one. I bet pack everybody enter POB. Even in Ghana, they did here, okay? Yeah. Spell the other one. See?
Now Germany I did. It's I-C-I.
I-C-I,
D-A.
D-A,
H-O.
H-O,
So, is it H-O, you see that home, yeah?
H-O, it don't complete. No worry. Even though you did Germany, use for telephone, contact those our people where you go Ghana. Pack the entire POB. We never, now, we don't want money. We want volunteer. You see our brother now, this he goes on with that. So now volunteer, they give him 50 million. He refuse and then they go kill him. All those people those who die, or they go cemeteries now.
All of them.
All
the people went there against our struggle, against our freedom. All of them go die one by one.
They'll die, my brother. They'll die. I beg. See, the war don't start now. I beg. Some people, some OG, I trust you now 100%. Now I can die for my people. So we need our people to enter IPOB because now you can't enter ESN with say you not fed the IPOB. IPOB all they keep person.
Yes.
You know they eat cola. Now bad boy, just like if you dey court, come and swear, finish. I beg, my brother. We know what you will defy for.
Me, I be IPOB since last.
I know, so you na IPOB, you don't wake up.
Yeah.
Let's put our people. Only me one cannot do it, I beg. Innocent they try. You understand? Put our people. If you don't have the contact, I give you the contact. I beg. You understand? We want job now because Nigeria army they don't declare war. Yesterday they carry 30 bus, that long bus. They carry go River State. You understand? Though, you know what? If they fit get the first state, our outdoor finish. So now we want pack Esan boys, Esako boys, even the Bini boys. We want pack them go east. We want tell them say we be warrior, they our blood. You know, we know they fear them, we don't die. And they go cemetery soon. We know they fear them, we don't fear die, we don't wake up. So if now we were there, bro, we they go us. My brother, I know they lie you. I know they lie you. If we die, we have nothing to lose. But if Oba die, if Opus or Dima die, they have big thing to lose. You know that stand? God will bless you, my brother, for this call. I want you to save your number. So I want to say now go give you innocent go. He will contact you now. Maybe they join us, they do program. The program where we they do so now to wake our people. Then they wake up. Our boys don't wake up. Now just the right source. Maybe we put them for the right source. Now they don't wake up. Then they wait. This war, Nigeria government go no say our people that they cheat since all the money we did the Zoom. Now we get out, my brother. Now me and your your money now.
For every one of us, but the cabals they just take up their
now you might be the B, my brother. The only way we can conquer these people now when we come together, not be when we divide.
Yes.
You understand? If we come together, we destroy these people.
They see the reality. They happen really.
So you know, we thank God for the leader where we get. You know, everything complete for him. He go school.
Yes.
He's learned. He know everything. Yeah. We thank God for that one. You know, and anytime this is what happened. We don't know that time because Anini did not have too much education. Our leader have everything we they need. You understand? So, my brother, we thank God for that one. God will bless you, my brother. I beg, Mona do now.
God bless you for the good work.
Now, quality effect.
Starboy number.
Okay. Nana, they forward that, Nana. God will bless you, Baba. Oh, hey, Biafra. I trust you. I can die for you. I can die for now. No problem. Thank you, Baba. Thank you. I want to save your number. I want forward down. So, thank you.
Yeah.
My brothers and sisters, enough is enough. Don't do. Our leader have education. Yoruba go tell me. I say they go. Which school they go? They not go anything. This big head way they China TV that useless woman say they go school. Which na anini the key anini the rebellion terrorists. You know that type notorious criminal. Nah terrorists the re. Most that time. We are going there. We are going somewhere. All of us go die. We don't die. Wait. This big head. Wait till they call her. We know what we are doing.
So what kind of operation does ESN do?
Wait. That useless boy. Wait first. Let me stop my brother number first before we continue. My brothers and sisters, there is fire in the mountain. All our people must get up. You know, they must. It's how I can die for my people. Now trust me, I can die for my people. Mona, no worry. I want to contact new contact. God will bless you, my brother. Mona call me. Mona not the fear. All these people now the fear pass. Opus Odima is in Abuja, running. Ijele is on the run. Hello, Baba. Good morning, sir. Respect, sir. Hello, sir. Good morning, Baba. Good morning. Thank you, sir. Mazi. Contribute, sir. God bless you. Oh, hey, Biafra. We heard you, sir. We heard you. We are money him. We are money. He console the hero. He's a fighter. It's more than the audio by this soon.
The problem we are having is we.
Is we. I've said it many times. You know, I am Igbo woman. Our Igbo people, must change. We are going to destroy you guys.
We are betrayal to ourselves. Because of material things, you betrayed your own brother. Your brother that is looking after your back, watching after you. Some of us are here in Europe.
Can they kill it 2 times? Sir, I want to ask you one question. Can they kill Ikoso 2 times? No. Not that, but once. It's not work.
But they also betrayed Ikoso. No.
He got that 2 times? No. Only one.
Everybody that have hand in Ikoso death will die painful death. His death will be more painful than Ikoso. Ikoso, they did not kill him with bullets. No. They did not engage him in warfare. No.
Yes, I heard so.
They came to his house.
Is Yoruba media that kill Ikoso? They are happy.
And Dave Umai
all
and
of them.
Wike, all of them plan to kill Ikoso. The important thing that Biafra have come already.
It don't come.
We shouldn't give up because the war has started already. The very day Ikoso were murdered, that was the very day the war started. And we're not going to stop. If you listen to yesterday, China's TV, why did they suspend it? Because of why? Because they know that the truth has started coming out and everybody now seeing the truth. All man of God now, some of them are speaking against the death of that young man. Ikoso did not do any evil. He did not do any bad thing. He just to protect and secure his land. They killed him for nothing's sake because of the bribe. They bribed him. He said, no, he's irresolute. He's not going to take any damn bribe from anybody. Opus Odima, Wike, Dave Umai, and all of them plan and kill Ikoso. But for the death of Ikoso will bring Biafra. And his death will be greater than every death in Biafra land. Ikoso will not be forget. Ikoso will not forgive every enemy that have hand in his death. You will see Ikoso will be one of the heroes. The way we honor Ojukwu, this is how we're going to be honoring Ikoso.
Exactly.
Every April to the way we honor Ojukwu, our lady, this is how we honor Ikoso. It will not be forget.
Every April, yes.
Very soon you will see a statue. We're going to mold the statue.
Exactly.
You will see Ikoso statue.
Exactly.
There.
Exactly.
As a remarkable. Nobody. You see, the problem they don't know is that killing Ikoso is not the problem. It's not why BSN will stop or why Biafra will stop. The more you are doing that, the more you are developing more hatred. More hatred. We are going to get annoyed, grudges in mind. Listen, what they don't know is that the more you are doing this thing, the more people are saying, yes, you have done this, you have done that, you have killed them. They will keep. No. You have pushed us to the wall. We must bounce back. And this is what's happening now. Mark from the date our leader gave speech. From that day, there will not be peace in Biafra land.
No peace.
There will not be peace in Biafra land. Not everything will be coming on end. Because our leader said he don't want to be saying, because maybe because he's saying it, then you go and look for security. But now, there will not be peace.
No peace at war.
They will tell you what happened in Douglas Road yesterday. They will tell you what happened in Douglas Road in front of government office. Opus Odima run down to underground. We know where he will run to. He went to underground. We know where he went to. But let me tell them, this thing they are doing, not even the referendum. Before we do referendum, we will reduce the sabotage. They won't even see referendum. Even though the Britain now said, the US said, okay, let's go for a referendum. They are not going to see a referendum. And Biafra will come, but they will not see Biafra. They will be in their grave.
Yes, sir.
But all the same, we pray. Let God give us the grace. Let God give us the strength.
Thank you, Mercy. It's we'll move on. Me, I'm
Yes,
going to cemetery. You people, you follow me to cemetery. I'm going soon.
So, we thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I'm going to cemetery, you know. Long time now, man.
The harvest I will give to them, the harvest I will give to our brothers back home, please. Be careful. Whenever you hear a gunshot, run away for your life.
Don't video. Don't video.
And say you want to secure a governor or any senator. Don't secure anybody. You as a security man or policeman, run away. If they are coming for Opus Odima, coming for any of the politicians or any governor, don't stand. You are security, you are securing them.
Don't keep them.
These people you are securing, they don't have future, they don't have life. They are so sold to the devil. They don't even know if you die. Because if Opus Odima and Wike and Devil Mind know that this kind of thing will happen, they would have killed also. They think they're killing this
round up, sir.
Biafra to come down.
Round
So
up,
what
sir.
we are saying is that our brother that is securing this idiot and this food. We know that you people are fighting for your daily bread to eat what your children will eat. Then please, if the heat is start, run away and leave them alone. It's not they die than you dying. Because if you die, they won't take care of your family.
Thank you.
God bless you. Keep doing the good work.
God bless you, Baba. God bless you, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, Baba. What talk there, Baba? Hello. Like the one, Baba. Domo, Baba. What talk that? They broke you, Baba. They broke you. Mayaro, Sawasi.
Okay.
They broke you.
I just want to thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Then block me how many months now? Make when I'm there on Facebook.
Yeah. You open another one, sir.
Your topic.
You open another one.
Yes, I open another one. Yeah, your topic this time. Everybody, not even that day when I hear this noise, I don't eat. I don't. But I name my place. I name my village. That my boy with that. I name my village. Where all of us in Oru East, even with the dead man, what they call him, who died, was a danger. The same old color man of us come from. You see, the way to me sit there, the young one boy they rant for Facebook saying he had not there. And that one of their brother too with the Austria. So this is a gang. They gang them up.
Okay. The framer.
So
the framer.
Yeah, the framer. They calculate something.
Na money na. Our money go finish, my people.
It go so finish now. Yeah. Money where they get for where they get the better place. You did last. You the last.
Money go finish.
You see, when they start to trade this boy, now when this boy reject the offer, our leader talking for brokers, he reject the offer. That offer we reject the pain because of them and the Fulani people. They made the kill them. So I always put the comment many people they comment. Me I see one comment. Now I call see I get another leader on time. Another get him. You see all this our leader, the chiefs and the all governor. If one of the head man so top, we know this grand.
Not be even one now, all of them. Oh, all of them. Oh.
Read down first. Okay, imagine the governor of Enugu State. The same Fulani driver, the governor of Papa. Can drive them. Drive you come off for your state.
Exactly. They know they fear us. Manzi, these people know they fear us. Wow, they know they fear us.
The governor will say me go down. They push with this thing. Assuming some IPOB, they rally around for you go see helicopter now.
They don't fear us.
Go and kill them. Imagine. So all these people, they don't messy. As I say make our leader bring one unit. Call them say acid unit, acid. Yes, rugged one. They didn't pick them one by one. One will come down. One will come down. One will come down. Fulani government gonna say this man, this crazy man. Yes, we don't say everybody. But if you come speak grammar, I got some friends here. If my broker, my leader, broker, this is a man, they come big grammar. I was trying to hear grammar. This one I Ghana. This I was trying to hear grammar.
Don't they hear? I thought they use and sing.
As they speak grammar, if you watch on Facebook today, you will see some group of 8 of them, 11 of them. You know how hard for them be carry gun, they walk up people's compound for Anambra.
Now the governors that they use say kill us.
Imagine.
Why will you be? We don't talk. You know easy, but we go fit one. 200 men face Obu Zodima house. In the Nova killers is money. How many army that they take waka? Only 200 men. Just leave the rest in. Just face only that place. Oh yeah, Mark Wunnesi.
200 men for one governor. They share them. If they fly, I went in here even I wish them chop. They will fly them chop up. Village way for another village ahead.
Our boys, they are more. If you not rich, if you more not rich, carry for us and land, carry for us and call. Join us together. Go.
Join us together.
Destroy these people. If governor not die.
Which can move the shop? Which can side them? Take them one by one. Then whatever they fit eliminate, they fit the pregnant stuff. They amoko. You don't know. But tell us we go there, must go down.
You burn the car where they burn the burner. 200 men surround governor. See Boko Haram. See that they kill the army. See Boko Haram. That they kill because they're many. If they want to go attack, they're many. Don't be say 5 people or go there, destroy everywhere. They don't care our brother. Go to a bomb house. They'll rebuild them. They get money.
Better correct God. Anybody with the government office, bring her down. Anybody with the government office, bring anybody down. The eye go clear. If not so, except whenever one go.
We're not ready. Thank you, sir. What's it, Rame?
All right.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Hey, Omadi, I know say leader no easy. Omadi K. I cried the day you cry on your head. I never see Mama Dike cry once. That day, I feel pain. Because of that, they go for nothing. Hello? Hello? Good morning.
Hello?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, contribute, sir. Good morning, sir.
My dear, I dey call you from UK.
I see you, sir. I see you, Baba. God bless you. Contribute.
How you doing now?
I dey fine, Baba.
Everybody know they fine again.
I dey.
Everywhere don't scatter.
No, it never scatter. We never finish. All of us go. Hey, if Biafra not come, we never finish. We not
I like what you dey talk. I like what you dey talk because if you see a woman like this, we get this kind of mind to come outside.
Never scatter.
They tell other people's them. They calling people. They make them come join this IPOB. ESN them and all these things. Make us secure our land.
Exactly.
We don't drag anything from anybody. We don't want their money. We don't want their support. But we just want secure our land. We will be in diaspora. If them pursue us for where we go, not be our land. Then if we leave the land, wait for the people they come take and finish. Where we won't come go. None of people land to go be. Now slave, the modern slavery we don't turn to now. You see this kind of problem now. So we need to fight for our rights. All these people where they outside, where they Nigeria, where they close, even the ones who know they Nigeria, where anything where they contribute. They contribute to this struggle. Because this struggle now they should for survival of the fittest. If you look at now, they use our own people, they kill us. They use governors, they kill us. They use our own police, they kill us. They use our own soldiers, they kill us. They use Fulani men, they kill us. Now, who they protect us? Nobody. Now, only us need to protect ourselves. We cannot take this right into our hands and fight these people, these bandits, these governors that are blood-sucking demons, these police that are blood-sucking demons. These police, they only receive orders from the Fulanis. These soldiers, they only receive orders from the Fulanis. Tell me, who do we receive order to? Then God gave us one person, the Mazin Namdekal, to direct us in the right way, to fight and secure our line. Now we don't know if you do them again. Now saboteurs plenty everywhere. How many people the enemy will they fight?
Good morning, sir.
Enemy plenty everywhere. You see them now. Nowhere we be say go there, you don't go see enemy. Even your neighbor self go there against you. Go tell you why we say they follow hip-hop people. It's not too much.
We not hip-hop. We not the adjuan. We not the dinner. Baba, thank you. God bless you. Cut and short. May I play with you? I want to.
God bless you.
We not IPOB. We are more that. We are going to terrorize this.
Everybody where they view this thing today now. Everybody needs to wake up now and fight to secure your land. Everybody need to secure in land, whether you like it or not. Anywhere where you did, the war we not they fear for before. When they say we don't want to war, the war don't start now. Because even you waiting for your house, you know they save again. So you need to come outside to secure yourself, secure your land. That is the only thing. Thank you,
sir. Thank you. I want quickly play something because time is just the run. Hey, my brothers and sisters. Now, good morning. When they say shout Yoruba. The good Yoruba, go and talk to your brother. So when the time come, we are going to be putting them where they belong. Yoruba media, Yoruba. Thank God. Now don't they hear about I said we na Biafra, the capital city. Now there for start. Esa oye. Benin people. Which is the Godomigodo. I know I say Bini. Godomigodo people wa towa behe. Aunchi Ogboy. Urobo wado. Isoko wado. Shekiri wado. See. Amerasiyo. O segbe, If water reach body, if it is sponge, e go must reach body. You know the gas e dey be. So you dey there, you dey fool yourself. Now or never. Now or never. So Yoruba no wan make their business. Dem dey fight for Tinubu wey don hold, e don bend. 2023. May I quickly save my brother. May I not go forget, things many from my head. When I wait first. May I save my brother this thing. May I send am to Festus and Innocent Emmanuel. Yes, let me send it to two of them first, because if not I forget. Yes, Innocent and Festus. Where is Festus? Okay, please, Festus, call this our brother and Innocent. Yes, thank you, my brother Innocent Esan Oye, the Duke of Africa, Innocent of Ubiaja. Yeah. So I'm gonna call our brother. My brothers and sisters, now good morning. When we dey chat, people think say now we tribalize, but we know what we dey talk about.
Apple has released a statement reacting to the arrest and death of one of theirs. We caught up with the spokesperson of the group, Emma Powerful. And here is the telephone interview with him.
Manzi, Ma Powerful. What
can you tell us about
God bless you.
what happened
We not be after 100%. Now there for start. Start.
They lied to the
Niger Delta we not deal na rubbish. NDDC we no know. Either una pack way and let all of us join together and fight. All the group in Niger Delta. We not do na rubbish. We not be Niger Delta. We not join. That God say una know how he killed us, because we know they see all year money. We know they shop. Since I was born, I don't know whether we get all year. I don't know whether we even get money. So we not join now. We are not among. We not be one. Since una dey fight for Niger Delta, today una give Buhari 1 month. Tomorrow una give her 2 weeks. Next tomorrow una give her. We not there with one una dey. Nothing say we dey play. Not there. We not there Niger. We not be one. Niger Delta people. We are not one. And we can never be one. Just. Mona the high is not here. The day where Gary Bashe will go settle now, we not hear una voice. The day where they not give una money, una call they come and hey, high is on. We not do that rubbish. Let's fight for freedom, better freedom. More dear on our own. Control your region. I control my region. The other one control a region. The other one control a region. What we have, we share it equal. You people don't want that. You are going to Gary Bashe. Gary Bashe will tell you that you are bully Buhari because they did not give you budget for your own thing again. We not down now. Una selfish rubbish idiot. We not just do that one. Now una take put all of us for mess. We they as an adult people we they can't all join now. But we know they see anything. That is why we are put Oba for where it belong. Oba na block everywhere. We know. We don't put her for where it belong. Go. Una we be great Bini. We'll try to na fuck up. Una, but thank God, the Bini people have wake up. The good ones. They not just they not join una day the one una day. Either una come to let's come now and share what we have. Or we'll spoil and we'll burn her. Yes, we'll burn her. I see they out yesterday. He said they want to do southeast. The way they do not south or northeast. The way Boko Haram burn her to get burn her down. They want to do it like we all burn everything. What we they enjoy? We they get money for inside. Make them burn her. The southeast, let everywhere burn down. Yes, everybody start for sale. Well, you know, guys, no they talk say, hey, the government want make the southeast burn like you they enjoy anything. No, I say they ought you know they enjoy anything. Don't make that statement again. If they want us to burn what we have down, they'll start from my own. I know they hide down. Many people know we are for come. Start from my own. Either we solve it now or never. Why can you come and say Fulani want if they want make them burn everything because not the benefit and Niger Delta if they don't want to receive their step for this selfish interest where they fight for Buhari hand, we not there with them. We are not with them. We are not together. We are, if be great beneath, then want go they negotiate with them. Let them go and be negotiating. We are not one. Thank God all the OAs are Biafra. If now only Salah be Biafra, he good. He good. I know they stay Benin City now. No, I know they G again. If now only Esan, that be Biafra for the region of so-called Edo State, is okay. You not understand. All these useless boys, all these Niger Delta bro, these job brothers. Though if they go ask Buhari money, Buhari not give them or come and call the shot here. Hey, it's not for everywhere. Do send on a message. When I pack well, when I go now this thing. We not send on a message. Hey, Yoruba people, Yoruba, they're the one that put us in this mess. When we say Yoruba, people will come and hey, they hate Yoruba. We they talk as it be. Igbo man betray Igbo man. Come out and shout. Hey, my Igbo people, they kill me. I don't they shout and since. If you don't like me, I tell you, don't follow me. Don't just look me. Because so many of you people here, I don't give a fuck. You come and cut my video and go and keep it. You think I sent you message? Do you think so? I don't give a fuck because since I was born, I never enjoy anything come for that Zoom. So I don't give you fuck. I don't fuck you. I don't send you message. I don't give a fuck for anything where you do. I don't care. Go and bring the video heart when I don't die or when I die alive. If the freedom don't come, say that's why I tell say, hey, Igbo, let they talk before. Eh? Now let they talk before. He comes he reject money as a great guy, a million person as he is. He's greater than Oba. He reject money. Do you know what it is to reject that kind of money? 50 million. He reject it. Now he not be Igbo man go collect money, kill him. Do you think Nigeria army know when he was going to his father's house? No. Now he brother. So what are we not saying? Igbo man not good. Yes, the good ones should go and talk to the bad, kill the bad ones. Now so, if anybody, if I don't mind talking, don't give a fuck. If you like, cut what I talk, go ahead. If I come bring her come out. I know they change my mind because I know what I'm saying. It's the truth. It's the truth. Okay, they kill the consona. Can they kill it 2 times? No. If anybody will kill me now, he cannot kill me 2 times. Man die but once. But he consona is a hero. Yes. As our brother say it now, we are going to mod is start fine boy. You see, I wish. Oh, fine guy, and you know, see body all of them rebu. See the Asian one, he make me. You know they grow, you know get body, not TJ body, no fresh. You see, person with the Africa better pass the one with the Austria. What are we saying? Even better pass the jelly. See his body as an in the Africa, but he dey enjoy. As a great man he is. So, well, you know, rest in peace. I dey go cemetery. You know, follow me go cemetery. You know, rest oh. I know say if I go say everywhere spoil. Yes. And I'll show all over the world go see her. I don't send you a message. If I go cemetery, I show her what Uzodinma is a dead man. Yes. I know what I want to do there. Go and talk to my people. See, who don't die. You see it in everywhere. Even if they know, he can't there with me for nowhere. Now go and talk to him. Everybody, you see. No worry. Let me go there. 3 days now, you go there. You see what will happen. If Opuzodinma no die. If that blue, we want to see if now blue blood they trace. Yoruba media, they are the problem we have. We have been saying it. Yoruba.
That they approach
Yoruba. Remove anyone. Love them not dissenting.
Nigerian army can never in their life enter ESN camp. That is a promise. The guy went to his village. They ambushed him there. That was all. Why did you say they can never enter your camp? They cannot, because they don't have the wherewithal to enter there. They don't have the power. Do you mean that you have the firepower? God is on our side, and God is protecting us.
You see, I said now Yoruba they fight us. You see, this boy that they call on this big head with the Channel TV. Because if Nigeria break, you know, if you can they sit down there, they control, they talk. I'm on the year again. You know, everybody will have your media. Yoruba have your own Koiki media. We go have our own Radio Biafra or Samuekpa media or Sophia media, not the Canon media. You know, we have competition. You see, this boy now, they are the one fighting us. Oh, no, understand. Now Yoruba they fight us, not be even Fulani. Now Yoruba, they don't want to mind their business. Now they say they publish, hey, IPOB Abiki, what be you are. Continue.
So what happened? How did he lose the member? And how many of your people have been arrested?
They have arrested more than, since in Imo State, they arrested more than 50 people in the zone there. In Uguta, or Haji, Emema, LUGA. They have been arresting people, going to their houses and they arrest them. In Anambra, they arrested so many people. In Abia, they arrested so many people. And yesterday the guy, our commander went to his village. He's from our mama. They ambushed him with his politicians. Obioso and the coup. They ambushed him, ordered the military to kill him.
My brothers and sisters, anybody wey dey here dey say, hey, why we wan care? Na our leader be the problem. All the region of Biafra, get it in your skull. All this leader must go down. If they not go down, mo just leave the normal saboteur. Ki opus Odima, whether you see you hear Ijele criminal, Ijele they work for the zoo where they work. Even Itoki, not they work. Kill opus Odima, whether I go still get power because they hold the power. Ijele is working for them. Give it connection. Calling our brother Iko son that is a murderer, is a thief. Kill Opus Odima. Yeah, bring him down. Ijele na rat. Ijele is a criminal, is a rat. And we are going to treat him as a criminal. You can't kill anybody 2 times. Iko son die as a hero. Our hero. We are going to be celebrated him. On Saturday was 23 or so. Yes, Iko saw day. So Ijele, we are when I Adiye. Yeah, you know Adiye, that small fowl chicken. Adiye, now that they call her for our Ijele have video. So be useless people.
That was what happened.
You send a tacit threat to the governor of Imo State. What do you mean by that threat?
He knows Imo State administrator, the Supreme Court administrator knows very well that he committed a crime. And we must follow him up.
Exactly.
What crime did he commit?
You see this boy? You see, say na Yoruba be our problem. What crime did he commit? You see, You see, say na Yoruba, na be our Yoruba media, Yoruba everything is our problem. The key fella, we know what we are saying. Anybody open my say, oh, Asofia is a tribalist, you me work by what you are. These people are our problem. You don't give a fuck what you say. They are our problem. Yoruba media is always our problem. NSAS protests, they keep people in Lekki till today. Yoruba media cover it up. Nobody is speaking about it. People wait there, Sarah. That is, if you don't get up now and join IPOB and do the right thing, all of it, me, I know the fear. I be IPOB. Norwegian government come and ask me what they don't even ask me. I don't defend. Don't tell them say we want to go. They were bringing starfish to Biafra war. They know what it is, so they know that we are not the criminal. I'm working. I have everything as a human being. I'm working. I have a house. It's not them that pay my house. I pay myself. So they know. So we are IPOB. We know the bad man they talk and our people that is afraid that they call us more than not they are afraid. We are going to terrorize them. They are worse than coronavirus. We terrorize coronavirus. We don't make coronavirus to come to us and kill us. We drive them away. We kill them first before they have a IPOB man. We know they join. No, na can't join.
What offer is that?
To come and hear the Bugado, which the Southeast governors established.
When did he offer him? But did he speak to him on the phone? Did he have a meeting?
He sent some people to meet him.
And what happened? He refused, or what?
The guy refused that he cannot betray Biafra's agitation.
Exactly.
And the ESN and our leader, Mazen Nandekano.
Yes.
Since then, they have been threatening him.
And so, when you now send this threat, what do you plan to do?
Gunwe.
He don't.
In Yoruba land, Fulani destroy your car. Go and face that one first. In Yoruba land, Fulani, if now I go Biafra, Fulani they destroy car. He constant we face them one on one. Whether they're not wrong. Go to Lagos, they are destroying cars, people's houses. Go and face Fulani. Don't be tafiaing on that map. You see, Yoruba don't want to break up. No more live there. All these gaga where they did, so they don't want break up. Forget it. Forget they tafia in another man's wala where they have big wala in their house. Go to Lagos today. Yoruba they run for Fulani. Can you also run for Fulani? Fulani they mad. Where they bonded. Can Igbo people run for Fulani? No. Can Wasa run for Fulani? If not be our government with the oppress, can we run for Fulani? No. Can we let Fulani to destroy our property? See me, see you. Even the army, they were shouting, army, stay with them, army, stay with them. These people, they don't know what they're doing. We are POB, we are going to put them where to. Can we run for Fulani? No. Yoruba people don't want to make their business. Don't make them call you Oduduwa. They are fighting for Tinubu 2023. We'll see whether on our C20. We are going to, and that is why we are warning Niger Delta. We don't want money anymore. We want to break up. Ijo people have to know this, that we don't want money. Anytime you run on money, you run out of money, you be calling Buhari, give him a 1 month, you give it to Wiz. We not did that one. Let everybody do their own. Everybody go back to your territory and control it. Not be Fulani or come they tell us what will they do or Yoruba. Now Yoruba did the other, only of Ife they run up and down. Estate seller, criminals, running up and down. Idiot people.
Ask me what are my plans. We have plans and we must execute it.
Exactly.
That's all.
I'm very sure you are aware that the federal government has prescribed your organization.
You see, Yoruba, they are happy. We not see. Oh, Sophia, I show my face. That is why I show my face today. I am a terrorist. I'm from Igodomi. I'm a number one Biafra. No, I know they deny. I am a Biafra and I'm a POB woman. Yes. Financial secretary in no way. Financial. When you mean financial, you know what it is. I give all that sometimes. Don't like this, you know. I don't want to do past my leader. That is why I mellow down. If I tell my people, go and do it, they'll do it. Are you mad? Yoruba is our problem. Yoruba. Everybody deny Yoruba. Or the good Yoruba attack these people. They are the problem we have. Lekki Tollgate, they don't go and ask about those killing anymore. No, they don't go. They are interfering in another person's business. They will run a IPOB, they don't kill them. They don't, all their army, Boko Haram is killing. They will not publish that one. No. Now IPOB that they publish. Go to where Bombay. Go and look the way they are killing their army. No. China TV award. They know they carry that one award. They know they carry on. But I only one person or 6 person there for IPOB. Hey. Now I don't know what they come for now. Yoruba, when we are done with you people, we are going to be denying Yoruba people. Yes. Koiki, go and talk to your brothers, the Yoruba media, the China TV, they are our problem. Yes. Go and talk to them. You people, place them where they belong. We have done that with our people. Yoruba, you know what we are talking about. Place these people, if you know you are innocent, if you know you are not fighting for 2020, place them where they belong to. Place them. Now, not place them. Now, no, nothing say we be mumu. We don't wake up. Okay. You people cannot any woman that want to rise up in our region, Biafra, that want to kill Nnamdi Kanu, we kill him first. Now, see what it go happen. Ikoson, is more than all your Oba. And we are going to bury him the way you bury Oba in Ile-Ife. Exactly. We know it. In Benin City, they use people to bury Oba. People where they brittle, they'll carry their bush, they use and bury. We are going to bury Una Yeram. I will play it for you. Why Zara? Proscribe Igbuwa. We na IPOB. We know
they running from their courts to come and defend this. That is a black market proscription.
We know they go court again. Now we know they deny. We na IPOB. We know they deny. We know they go court. My leader know they go court. No say lawyer go court. Our land is our land. We are going to take it by force. No go court.
They don't want to defend it. They don't want us to defend the matter.
Yoruba, they mad.
In the court.
Yoruba is the one killing us. All the army that went to go and kill us for Yoruba. Many of them for Yoruba.
So what are you planning to do now?
We are planning to get Biafra.
Exactly.
When are you planning to do that?
God knows the time.
God knows the time. Oh my God.
Okay, so let me, because residents of Omuma, when we interviewed them yesterday, they said that the people that attacked the governor's house are members of ESN.
We know they are there again.
What do you have to say to that?
Anybody can say whatever he or she likes. It doesn't concern us.
No, it doesn't concern us anymore.
So, and that's the reason why I asked the question in the first place, that are your members or ESN, are they the ones who attacked the governor's house? Because those who saw it said your members were the ones who staged that attack. For some of the information that we have when we went on the
wait, so government, I know that son Yoruba. Koiki, go talk to your brother. Go and talk to your brother. Go and talk to your brother. It's China TV. They are not better than anybody in the Zoom. Nobody is better than anybody. Not be media for the talk. So I will do more better than him. If I maybe I'll be the media. I'll do more better than this guy. Koiki and the good Yoruba people, go and talk to your brothers. They are our problem. We are going. You guys cannot hold us. If very soon now, see what it going to happen for our own region. Now, see, all those on our businesses, when they take claims, say, now go school pass, now do this, but we are going to be bringing it down. We don't want. We are not enjoying anything now. Now, see us now. When our brother will start, all the eastern region, when they will start, now, worry not they carry last. When we start, we now will see it. You understand? You people are tribalized. You people are cheats. You people are destroyer. You people share us different languages. Destroy us, say our ancestors is not enough for you. Only of Ife is running up and down. Only of Ife or Lafia for you, all of them are running up and down because they want to keep on enslaving us. If you know what is good for you, talk to your people. It's Yoruba that is killing us. It's not Fulani. They are the one giving Fulani power to come and oppress us in our own land. Yoruba people, take time. Take time. We don't hate the good Yoruba. You see all these kind of Yoruba people in China TV and those Oni of Ife, you people teach them a lesson. Put them where they belong. Cut Oni of Ife, put them for Lagoon, not bury them. Nana wa bury wa. Are they better than they bring Ganini, they kill them. Anybody that rise up, they will kill them. Fela rise up in Yoruba land, they kill him. Now, he brother kill him. Obasanjo, na kill Fela. Plus Buhari. And Yoruba people, Buhari will cut 100 years for Ali. See, any Asian man, we say not be Biafra. I'll swear for you. Or Asian woman, all of them are Biafra. They give the Yoruba people, they bring Percy wey prosecute Ali 100 years imprisonment. Percy wey do good thing. So we not do any good thing for our people, abi. We not enjoy life now. Alone and night they born to enjoy. To sit down for Channel TV to come they talk rubbish, abi. So my brothers and sisters, if you are for Asian land, Osako, be wise and join IPOB. Let's terrorize these people. These people never see anything. Our land is our land, Biafra land. All south, east, now Yeran, na Biafra. Not be me they talk again. Na Biafra. So Esama, you have to join IPOB. You know why I know they took all the Benis. All those who are never ready. They don't know where they belong. There are a lot of them that is confused. They are not ready. They want to put everybody in bondage. Everybody is suffering. No, it not work. We'll live on. Yes. It's all of una Biafra. If now only Ali with the way Yoruba people put for 100 years imprisonment, all of una. Now not get mad. Anybody we no want to just keep quiet. Yes, as soon as they do so, all of una Biafra 100% too. Yoruba na they kill us.
Council commander that was killed yesterday by security operatives. They said they recovered several sophisticated weapons, including 6 AK-47 rifles, hundreds of ammunition of different calibers, and lots of charms, including bulletproof charms. How true is this?
Can you, first of all, ESN we don't use army uniform, Nigerian army uniform. That is number one. Number two, they presented 3.
When this boy go say sham, like say Yoruba no they use human being, they do sham. Now Yoruba do sham pass. Yoruba. They don't see sham when Igbo wear sham that day. Have you when they tell na something say na Yoruba they kill us. Now no they understand. When Sunday Igbo wear sham, did Yoruba media carry it? No. So anybody that will come here and say, "Oh, Sophia, you are a tribalized woman, I'll block you." Not be lie. If you don't, you be my sister, I not get anything to do with you. Sunday Igbo wear sham. When he went to go and fight Fulani, did Yoruba media carry it? No. They didn't even publish it. They didn't even show it. So anything where you get, use and fight your enemy, it doesn't matter. Anything where you get, use and fight your enemy. Like me, I dey go cemetery. Yes, it comes on the reach here. As I dey call on since day before yesterday, he don't reach here. I'm going cemetery. I'm going to buy flower for him. You see, the governors they will be dead very soon. Yeah, not be say bosto. Anything where you sabi, use and fight your enemy. Until they come and kill you. Yes, anything, now you anything by anything. If na Bible they carry, if na Jesus Christ you believe, if na God you believe, if na sham, anything, use and fight your enemy. Very, very simple. Sunday Igbo wear sham. Did Yoruba media publish it? Oh no, they only publish sham. They not they publish man. But if na Igbo, they wear sham. Now Yoruba they do sham where pass. They use human being they do sham. Mona go their house. The one where they our area, Mona go their house. Whether or not see human be for their human be head. Not be everything they talk. We even get the proof, we get the pictures. Forget it. Now Yoruba do sham pass.
How can somebody use 3 AK magazine, AK-47 with 1 magazine? They presented 10 bullets while we have no machine gun there. So these things, they are liars. All those informations are false. They are not saying the truth because they don't want to tell the Nigerians, the citizens, the citizens that Nigeria is almost
gone.
collapsing.
Nigeria is finished. No, see, if not lie, call your family. They can't even buy Gary. Nigeria don't finish. Forget. When my person call me, I tell her, I say, hey, Mama, next year it go worse past this year. Nigeria is gone. They can't buy Gary. One of our own cheap brother called me. He said the Ororo where they buy last year 1,400 naira. Now it's now 5,400. So you see, times 4. Nigeria is gone. On our way they see this war. Una they do anyhow. Now no, Mona call na family. Mona list what they happen. Nigeria is gone. Either they break it now, it will be worst. Say Igbo people they want to do election of 2020. Why no? I will call my Amadike. It no work. 2023. I'm going to call him. It will not work. May not let him work. If he work, we will fight. It not work. 2022. Nigeria no see 2022. Not be lie. Nigeria is finished. So you did here, south, east. You did here. You know what do anything. You now see people they walk out for street or they fall. Don't say what did they happen. Nobody they fair war, but as we did, so we fight the war. It may better pass. It better pass. So Nigeria is gone. That they had down.
And the IPOB have decided that nothing will stop them to back out. on this course.
If you
for
back
Biafra
out, you
restoration.
finish. Yes.
So
Other tribes can work for their own. They can say whatever they like. We are intact.
Our comrades, our masses telling them, Yoruba, mind your business. Fight for Oduduwa. Nigeria can never be one. We are not one. And we can never. Huh? The tribalism is there. We can never. We benefit nothing. Mona leave our job, brother. We just dey cry. It's on. All those one. Na my. Nigeria can never be one. We have everything we take to live a good life. We cannot live the good life. So it can never be one. Wow. Go Yoruba media, they are just using their trick to make Nigeria to be one. It can never any of it Nigeria will never be one. We are going to destroy Nigeria until we die. We will not rest. People say we just dey shout. Hey, we dey wake our people. Now, how many people they watch me? We dey wake them. We know that when they have Yoruba media have put bad thing in their ear, in their mind, and that bad thing we want to remove it first before we hurt. Because if it's set now, make them not talk, say they not hear or they not know. Now because they place Radio Biafra for everywhere, na teacher will not get sense. We they throw away money happy.
POB and the ESN, we are intact.
Okay.
Another commander has taken over.
Exactly.
what's the name of the commander?
You see, wait, I'll come to what is the name of it. You see, Yoruba, you didn't know something. All those ESN, there are gallant men. Gallant. Wait, if you pass our hero, you can song. Gallant. We don't know anything. We will not rest until Biafra come. We will not rest. Yes, we will not rest. Una fit say this girl too dey talk o, as una dey tell Samuel Ekpa. We dey wake our people. Every day people are joining us. You know how many messages they receive every day. Our brothers in Libya, they want to enter IPOB. We are waking our people up. You know say the one way they come for Libya, e go Mona just call the referendum. We fight war. Everybody go sit down. All those governors, we are going to kill all of them on social media for the talk am. Because they love their children. Also, others love their own. So, you cannot be keeping your own and be killing others. You know, work. So, my brothers and sisters, Libya boys, that they come. Esan boys, Esan Oje, they are going to Imo. You know, say when another set of Biafra come join the other one, everywhere was scattered. Because Esan is secure, nothing. Our vigilante, they are doing well. Before ESN. But they are going to Imo. Yoruba media, mind your business. Yoruba should mind his business. Fight for Oduduwa. Nigeria can never be one. If na 2023, now they use that, they fight for. Tinubu, we are 2023. We not live now. We will be South and South. We will never leave Yoruba to let them to repeat what they repeat. Buhari regime. Second Buhari regime. It not work. Buhari we key people, we key fella, their brother. He key Abu Sali, he key whether na he don't see, he key many people. Yoruba still go wallon for inside grave. Come out, be president. You think we will give you that chance again? It not work. My Yoruba brother pack way, fight for Oduduwa. Even though na they kill themselves for that side, we not care because now na.
I will tell you.
If you say that your intentions is for the Igbo nation.
Wait, he said, wait, he said, what is the name of the commander? You see, you see, say na Yoruba they kill us. They say everything Fulani, talk as it be, as our apostle say. Talk as it be. Don't sugarcoat it. Now Yoruba they kill us. It's high time we know our enemy. Yoruba are the one killing us. Say it as it is. Don't sugarcoat it. If na Igbo, you talk as it be. If na Edo, talk as it be. Now Yoruba they kill us. Yes. He said, what is the name of the commander? Because they want to go find out. They want to go find family member, make the killer. Talk as it be. Yoruba they kill us now. He said, now only Fulani. Talk as it be. Talk. We know what we do. We know what we are doing. We know. Talk as it they be. Don't they keep person. You see, What is the name of the other commander? Because they want to go and be defending him. They want to defend him. If you don't take bribe, they'll kill him. For your own land again, for your money. My brothers and sisters, enough is enough. Okay? Let's continue.
We are not talking of, first of all, mind you, we are not talking of Igbo nation. We are talking of Biafra.
Exactly.
Biafra comprises so many tribes, not only Igbo nation. We are not talking of Igbo nation. We are talking of Biafra.
So what are your thoughts
Former
about
Eastern region. Former Eastern region. Both South and Southeast.
Exactly.
We are not talking of
Egba. Obadoja, South and Southeast. I'm from there. I'm from South and Southeast. Biafra, all the 12 Eastern region. We must march. Any German where they say, hey, son, where Buhari not give you money, we are going to put you where you belong. Yes. We'll not get down our zone again. Pack where and go to Abuja and be collecting your money. We want Biafra, 100%. If Biafra come, we'll settle our case with us. As it be so, will not be one. And what? We can never be. My job, brother, pack where. We don't want Buhari money. Not be Buhari go, they control our wealth. We control it by ourselves. Don't be stingy and selfish. Shut up your mouth, fight for Biafra, and do what is right. When you eat money, go see Asari, not the fee waka again. When you eat money, money will finish. Tomorrow you go and be bully Buhari. We don't want that. Face the right thing.
Igbo nation.
But let me ask you, what are your thoughts on the establishment of Ebubeago?
Ebubeago is a goes to security outfit, so we have nothing to do with them. If there is no group called Ebubeago, that name is from out. It's a ghost group. We have not seen them. Let them come out and do the funny things. We show them where they belong.
Okay.
You know, Yoruba think that is a Bubeago that kill Ikonson. It's not a Bubeago, it's army. Nigeria army. My people, Nigeria army. I have the picture. I have proof. You understand? But we will not show you how they kill our hero. No, we will not show you guys. We have everything. It's Nigeria army. It's not a Bubeago. Nobody is there with a Bubeago. It's Nigeria army. The community called that our brother Ikonson is around. Then Nigeria army march. If you see many cars, hey, we go kill one person. Hey. So, my brothers and sisters, Amega sinyo segbe o ede. Now know what that one mean. If water is sponge, go reach body. You dey there, they fool yourself. Hey, I not be Biafra, I not be the Nigeria government. They are killers. They will come to you. You know when they kill Adini, they say he's a notorious criminal. Now, he's a terrorist. Now the rain. Now any time was notorious. We'll continue.
So confirm to us, ESN is not behind the attack on the governor's house.
I told you before. When you went to Omuma and interviewed people, did they tell you that those that came to attack in that very place mentioned ESN, and we are ESN, we are IPOB?
Yes.
Me up till now.
They said so.
Okay.
Yes.
The people.
Una see say na Yoruba they kill us. Una see they are afraid of ESN because Omoteko na Fulani get am. If they cannot act like ESN, awa. Omoteko is held by Fulani. Yes. So you see, they are the one. You say as it be. And Yoruba they kill us. They want us. They want them to kill my ESN. They want it. They will be happy. They will be public. They will run come out. Hey, allegedly, they don't kill ESN. Yoruba is the one killing us. Forget about the rest people. Any fucking idiot people. Wasofia is tribalism. Let them tribalize. It's not my business. Yoruba, they want all my ESM be killed. So if you are ESM, be aware. Now Yoruba army and soldier now can kill Koson. Now the truth. We are saying it to wait. We know they bear our mouth. Enough is enough for make I be the battle say I be good or no. I'm not good. I don't want to be good. Let me be like this, okay?
Say that they are ESN.
Members of the communities.
And
yes, the
members of the community say
Yes.
ESN.
Yes, that's what they told us.
IPOB.
Yes, that's what they told us. Yes.
They lied to you. They lied to you.
They told us that's what they confided in us, that they are members of ESN.
Yoruba want make they kill my ESN. Oh, Yoruba. See, any Biafra woman, Biafra will not be the joke. Yoruba not be your friend. Not be lie. Yoruba not be your friend. I for leave my first thoughts, may deal with them. I call the beg and beg. Ceasefire. No ceasefire. No ceasefire. Me spoil everywhere spoil. Bring tribalism. Yes, now they take this battle. Bring it in. Bring it. Say first I beg. No ceasefire. Deal with them. Deal with them. Enough. Now Yoruba deal with us. Now they say our forefather. Yes, Oba Benin is a Yoruba man for Ile-Ife. Now they say our father. First us, no ceasefire. Wow, we be tribalists. Deal with them. Deal with them. Start again. They don't block our Facebook. They block first us Facebook, the two. They block my 30 days. Yoruba, now they do one, not be another person. Yoruba not be good people. The good one are only Koiki. Not see sure worry, one be president. What did they call him? Mayogun one be governor. All of them, they want sit for their head. They want be this. You know the trick. They will carry chef. They'll put them for back. Come arrange book. They'll come they speak big grammar. That one they take they confuse now. So we use broken. It doesn't matter now with the year. Our second language is broken English before the correct one. We don't know where they speak good one. So Yoruba people are the one destroying us. From Ile-Ife. They will arrange chef in their back. Me for no talk. Say, they don't to read it. They be reader. What Adeika grandson will come and come they speak grammar. Adeika, where they get white, where they America, carry courtesan. They don't pass. You know, Adeboye say if you don't pay tax, you know they go heaven. Ask me whether you know where be heaven. I know that. Yoruba bring everywhere juju, na everything that they get on. They are telling us we are the one doing sham. They are the one that holds everything. Pentecostal church now they get on. Everything, everywhere where good life they na Yoruba. You see, that is why I said Yoruba juju, Yoruba church, Yoruba media, Yoruba everything, Yoruba. Everybody have to beware. Beware now Yoruba they kill us. Forget it. Anything way anybody want talk now you know. Now only Koiki they fight for freedom. Sunday Igboho is a politician. Forget to. Mona not let the confuse now. Now politician na PDP. Forget. You not did one what they do. No.
So you are saying that ESN does not have a hand in it.
ESN can never come on operation and tell you we are ESN. We can't do that. We know what we are doing.
Okay. So what kind of
you know, they think ESN is no goma Yoruba. They think say na ESN be no. You know say no goma. They don't have patience, just like me. They cannot wait for our leader order. That was why you see they do their own operation on their own. They are not. No government is different from ESN. If na ESN, I met too many now. Una not see them for television. Met too many. Everywhere goes spoil. All those ESN pack come out. There are too many. Everywhere goes scatter. Forget. If na ESN they do all those things, they'll over succeed. They'll take over the government. Everywhere go. Let our leader say, okay, oh, it's ESN. Pack come out. Whether we'll finish Fulani only one day, 24 hours, we'll finish Fulani. Forget. Not be ESN now. No government. They don't want to wait for our leader. You know, IPOB, they get only one command. Oh no government, they don't. If na ESN, if na IPOB, if now you be IPOB, you cannot do more than your shadow. That is why you see I'm shouting. Our leader, they want to our brothers finish or do something or do something. You see, you understand? You can't work more than your shadow when you are in ESN or you are in IPOB. You cannot do that. You see, this Yoruba media, they think ESN is no government. They don't know say no government just different. That they list it to us. Now waiting with the talk that they take go do so. They are not gonna get up. He said, one boy called me, he said, do you know it's on no go? I said, no, I don't know that they are spirit. He said, okay. He said, continue your good job. You know whether that one I'm no government. I don't know. them for ESN. You see, these people. Let me quickly.
What does ESN do?
We pursue Fulani terrorists
Exactly.
in our bushes and our forests.
Exactly. You see, huh? You see, Yoruba is the one killing us. Let me show you their soldier. They're not the carrier. No, now we the carrier for them. Yoruba the one killing. Let me show you my people. May I quickly show now their soldiers. They kill them. You don't see them for Channel TV as they kill them. Fulani, Boko Haram, they kill Yoruba soldiers. Who is this? He say you just keep mute. Why? No, I didn't keep mute, my brother. I'm here. Wait, I will answer you later. Where is the? Let me show you their army. Where they key? They key them.
Douglas is on fire, Jesus.
No worry. The fire they come. What be ya? May I show now? All the Nigeria soldiers don't finish. They don't get sense. Instead of the go resign, don't kill na finish. Me rock back. Wait. I don't see him. Okay. Yes. Now see there. Una soldier. Me quickly the show. See, Yoruba. See Fulani they drive una for na oha. See how my people wanna see say Yoruba na cowards. See how. Okay. They don't face their business. Wow. Wanna leave it this idiot. Wanna leave whether na Mofi Osagi. Wanna leave a slave na go kill him. See Yoruba problem. Channel television not they carry this one. Wow. See Fulani, they destroy their car. This one go happen for Igbola. Wow. No fit happen. See ya. Now see Fulani. Now they put am on they see am well. See that they log it. Ikoso go run for Fulani. No. Our hero. Ikoso can never run for Fulani. Wow. See ya. Yoruba na our problem for Nigeria.
Look at the Nigerian military. Look at them. They are here and they allow them to destroy all this.
Nah, they be Fulani na. I don't get sense.
Look at how they are destroying Moto. And army is here. Nigerian army is here. Nigerian army is here. And they are destroying.
Channel TV no dey carry this one. Wow. Now see what we dey talk. Channel TV they no dey carry. Wow. I not be a do. I be Godomi. He do Godomi. I will bear you outside here. Or more go. Mona live and a slave. He go. Except say me I quit block her because they block our people. Wait. They block our people. If you not block her, he go block you. We don't know their tactics. I don't block her, my people. Mona leave that useless slave. They block our people. So if you not block them first, as they commit bad things, so if you not block them, they'll go block they'll start block my people. So if not, I for not block them. I for not block them. You see, huh? Okay. Hey, Channel TV carry what bear you are. Channel TV carry this una we come for Eastern region, Biafra land, all the whole Eastern region. South, east. Una see am? Una don hear am for Channel TV? Channel TV don talk am since yesterday. No. Now hear what they talk. Now we be tribalism. Now we go. God bless my hero. God bless you, sir. We will go and buy flour and put it. You are going to hunt all these Opus Ojima, Ekezikbazu, Ugwai, Obiano. These our governors, if they want to kill our own brothers, they will go and do meeting for their head. Ha! Now, if you not kill governor, if you not put them for where they belong, they will keep on. They'll enslave you. Their children will come. They will enslave you. You see, wait the Dave Umahi, his brother, now be lawyer for the whole government. The other one, I be a chairman for all. You see, now family business, it will continue. European were like that 100 years, 200 years ago. They were like that. It was the same thing. So, my brothers and sisters, we can do it. Okay? My people, don't be afraid. We are Biafra. We are IPOB. We know the deny. We are, what did they call her? That big head. We be IPOB. We know the deny. And people are joining. You see, I know they lie. Our people from Esako, Esaland, even Benin, that they join IPOB. That they join. They join. A Benin guy is a coordinator in Italy, a place in Italy. That they join. See, I know they lie. Let me send you many things. See how that they join. And we are going to finish Yoruba media. We are going to deal with you. Elizabeth, okay. See how. You see how, not be, I mean, I not show it name. You see how. See how. Our people are joining. One artist say, we know the, that one don't die. Forget it. Our people are joining. So now we are going to terrorize Nigeria. We are not Nigeria. We are going to deny it. Yoruba, you fight for your own now. Leave other people to fight for their own. Do what others are doing. Not be say Fulani, they destroy your car. You they shout, hey, they destroy. Nigeria army is there. Shehu no see her. Why you not carry her for Channel TV? Na IPOB go. You go come from Lagos, fear to Imo. Abuja, fear to Imo. They are all dead there. They carry out. You see propaganda. You see what we talk about. Yoruba is our problem. First us, don't stop. Continue. Who want go it here? May go it here for war. We are tribalism. Deal with them. No stop. No verse, Baba. No stop it. Continue. Our leader cannot do everything. We are going to help him. Continue. Yoruba na our problem. Yoruba na our problem. We don't see and say na they be our problem. They are the one publishing Ikoson. He don't die. The kid is a terrorist. He they prescribe. One not they fear for prescribe. One not they go court. You want something, you still they go their court. How do you want it? Don't go. Our leader don't pay lawyer. We know they deny. We follow you. They talk we follow you. They talk and say now we be. No they pay lawyer. No they go their court. If they go, no they say any lawyer represent me. What? Biafra or death. Our brother die again. No. Another commander take over. And that one will be more dangerous than this one. I don't know anything. Although this one are 1 million man. But that one will be 20 million man. No guesses. My people. Well, Mona follow me, I go cemetery. I go pray for our great hero. I'll go for me. Maybe I'll show her. Maybe I'll not show her. I'll show her. Make the thing they walk away. I'll show her. We are going to cemetery now. I will show her. We are going to be showing it. No, we will show her. So it don't tell where we show her reach. Me not come me say, what did they do for cemetery? I take the walk. Now our ancestors know I take the walk. I don't know I take the walk, okay? So I will show it. So we will be praying here. Because those people where they don't first stand like me and you. So we believe on that. Let us go and do it. You see Yoruba Channel TV saying, we find sham. Like say, not be Yoruba star sham. Everything where you get, now you take fight your enemy. It doesn't matter. If na Bible you get, use and fight your enemy. If now you believe, don't twist. You see what they are done to, they will twist you to be Adeboye a servant. You don't know you are a servant. Lay down for Adeboye that is enjoying with his wife, his children, your children. Children say if you not pay faithful, you go die. Because they threaten everybody. My brothers and sisters, after God na government, nothing else. Okay? Believe on that and do your own part. Don't be pomposy. Sophia is a tribalist. Nah, be. No, what you expect? Yoruba, they kill us. Forget it. Yoruba media, they are the one killing us. Yes. Like it target. They kill people. Yoruba media sweep it off. 2011, person wey die here, they talk am for 2-3 years. Till tomorrow, they still they talk am. People wey die, they still they talk am. On that day, they'll still talk am. Even that week, they go talk am. A Breivik. They go talk am. As people take that, they show their picture. People die for Lekki. E never reach 1 month. Yoruba media cover am. That chapter, e don close. I don't know say na they kill now. If they don't tell now, they don't know. So my brothers and sisters, they kill us. Now I quickly go pay for cemetery for this Europe. Ikonson, I give you respect. If now let that money where you not take, that is to know that is what we are building. We don't like money anymore. We want to be sincere so that our land will be good. We will water them. Don't melt those idiots. Don't worry, you never die. You still there with us. You still, me, you still there. Don't worry. Yoruba media, they go hear am. Yoruba, go and talk to your brothers and sisters in the media. They are our problem. Now they do shan pass. For me, Ile-Ife, if they died or they use people, they bury them. So Ile-Ife people, now so that they do. So our people have to know that. So we are talking so that our people, their ear go dey open. Say, okay, see what these people they do. They're not like you. They be evil. They be devil. They see you propaganda. What be you, Baba? Hey, God bless you, my people. We'll talk. I will go cemetery soon. God bless you. And our people that is Sophia Obaze, they have blocked that Facebook. Yoruba media, they block it. They are following us. So all of us that we are saying the truth, we are fighting them, but back to they follow us. They block first or block the truth. First or where continue. Now Yoruba be our problem. God bless us. Now bye. God bless our brothers. So may his soul never rest in peace until we fish out Opuzodima and the Okunzo, whether na Ibi Ozo, we'll fish out audio and easy. We want Garuba will say na go press our people. So na go kill one. Abi, na one place Fulani. Yoruba media and Fulani, we are going to put you where you belong. We want to see whether una be Odunga. Whether na we be Odunga for our own land again. When Boko Haram they kill una for that side, una not go fight them. They kill na army. So now they export, they come. Igosha 30 boss, they come. Wa go imu. But this it go tough, eh? And if you dead there, you be a Joma, Urobo ma, Isoko ma. You dey stingy. You never donate for this struggle. You see and say, Percy pay with his life. They offer him 50 million, he refuse. And he pay, he use the blood pay. And you dead here, you dey look us, you know they donate. Nothing what you they do. Now so gossip, they follow these useless people will be great beneath. All those one will put them for where they belong. So you have to go and do something. God bless our people now. Bye.